Hey guys, welcome. I'm just going to run you guys through enabling secure boot and UEFI mode on a MSI board. I couldn't find any documentation out there and I thought this might help someone out there. Basically I was trying to play the new Battlefield game on Steam and I kept getting this little error. So yeah, I'll step you guys through it. Hopefully it helps someone out there. Yeah, it wasn't as straightforward as I thought, but I'll see if this video helps someone. Hopefully it does. So basically what you want to do is you just want to check your status of your computer. So there you can see I've got UEFI mode and secure boot on. Now to get to this, you go to start menu, type in MS info 32 or system information. That'll get you there, and that brings up your system information. So to get UEFI mode enabled, which was surprising that it wasn't enabled, this is a brand new computer, and secure boot as well. Basically, first you need to convert. That's another thing I noticed is my main boot drive was set to MBR, which is legacy. So you want to set that to GPT partition. Now there is a tutorial on how to do that on the EA website. But that was one of the first steps I needed to do is set my main drive from MBR to GPT. Yeah, my TPM was enabled, so that was good. That was already in order. These are the steps that you'll need to follow to basically convert your disk to GPT. So MBR to GPT convert allow, and then you should get this, which I did. The first time I did, I was actually doing it on the wrong disk, and it was failing. But once I worked out that I needed to do it on my NVMe disk, there basically you should get this screen. After that, you can just restart to get into the BIOS or UEFI screen on this board, which is the MSI Pro series board. You hit delete, the little delete button underneath the insert button on the keyboard. So I'm just doing that now. So that'll take you to here. Go to your security. What you want to do is you want to check this is enabled. These are all my settings. If you guys want to follow, if you have a similar board, then you want to go to boot and change this to UEFI. It was legacy plus UEFI, but now I've changed it to UEFI, and that was after I did the conversion from MBR to GPT. I think that's all the settings I changed. Oh yeah, this as well. So you wanna change it from CSM mode to UEFI mode as well, and that's basically all I did there. I did save and exit. And then it still kept failing for me, so I was still getting that error when I was going to Battlefield, and there wasn't any documentation. Now what I did is I came back in here and then I did basically a factory reset. So I went into save and exit, and I did a restore defaults, restarted, and logged into Windows 11, and then I was able to then load Battlefield. So if we just do a save changes, yeah, sure, and we'll do a save and changes and reboot. So that was the trick, basically, is you make all those changes, you come in, save and exit, go back in, and then you change it to restore defaults, reboot again, log back into your OS. So you need your TPM enabled, you need to set from MBR to GPT, if that's what you've set up. For some reason I had that set up, weird. And also, yeah, set your secure boot as well, and UEFI mode in the BIOS level. So now if I come into my Steam account, library, yeah. Jump on this screen over here. So if there's anything in Defender that shows that secure boot's on in Defender as well. So you'll see that there. That wasn't there before. Just pause. And here's Battlefield 6 open beta. Look at that, finally in. Finally in, people. And that's it.